Just a quick VW service tip. If your wheels have plastic caps that cover the lug nuts, you don't twist those to remove. Some of the styles look like a triple square and some look like an Allen. Don't put an Allen or a triple square in there and turn it. I'll show you a close-up of the reason why you don't want to do that. And I'll show you how you remove these. Very simple. Made a simple tool for that with an old screwdriver. This is just showing you the VW lug bolt caps. This is the Allen head style. This is the triple square style with some writing on it. How I remove it, stick my tool I made and then just pull it out like that. Here's the other style. Stick the tool in and pull it out. It's a Matco straight slot 3/16 tip. Just cut a slot in it. So basically you bring it in and you hook it and you're able to pull it. You go in and then pull out that way. You stick it into the open hole, you tilt it down, and then you just gently pull out to remove. Very simple, not complicated.